Secondary traumatic stress is stress that you experience because you have been exposed to or witnessed a traumatic event, perhaps an accident or a death. It may also be information that you've been exposed to as part of your job, so information that might be challenging or sensitive. For many solicitors, this is part of the work that they do. They get exposed to information that's challenging and sensitive, and they have to figure out how to process it. But nonetheless, it can be quite impactful, especially if your exposure to that information is repeated or continual. There could be some day that it just does not sit right with you. Secondary trauma tends to present and look and feel a little bit like the symptoms of depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, often referred to as PTSD. We're thinking about increased symptoms of anxiety, depression, hypervigilance, that sense of being always on, increased worry about your own safety and the safety of your loved ones. And often a hallmark symptom would be to dissociate. When I think about how you can heal from secondary trauma, I think there's really two threads at play. I think one of them is organizational, and I think the other one is personal. Organizationally, I think firms have a responsibility to model a behavior that's open to talking about these experiences. From the personal thread, I think self-care is really, really important. And not only engaging in self-care activities, and by that I mean taking time away from work, connecting with colleagues in person, integrating acts of mindfulness such as yoga, breathwork, meditation, and also having a boundary with your workplace and the work that you do. These are all things that you can do to help with secondary stress.